Hello people of YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to get a Linux desktop environment on your Android phone without root. Let's get started. Alright, before we continue, I want to let you know this guide works from like Android 5 all the way to the latest Android, which is Android 12, also the one I'm using. And it also works on Chromebooks, but the process is a little different. So I'll make a video about that later on. So before we can continue with the video, you'll also need these apps here. The first two, Andronix and Vnc Viewer, you can get them on the Play Store, and the other two here, TermUX and F-Droid, I'll leave a link for those in the description. I'll actually leave a link for all of these four in the description. So the first one, Andronix, here it gives us the commands so we can install our Linux distro, whatever desktop environment we want. So alright, I already talked to them about that. So here you get multiple choices. I'm gonna be going with Ubuntu since it's the one that works the best, and I'll be choosing the latest version, 2004. Install. Now I'm gonna be choosing desktop environment because it'll just make my life easier in the future to use this. I usually stick with XFCE. All of these three work. I already tested them, but I think XFCE is the most customizable one, so we'll stick to that one. And now we can open TermUX, which is where we're gonna install our Linux distribution. And now here you can just paste and then hit enter. Now it's gonna prompt you to type in some information like what type of keyboard you use or like your country or region. So just type that in, and then after that it's like 10 to 15 minutes to set it up. Also for these, just type in enter, it doesn't matter. Yeah, enter again. Okay, so yeah, allow, otherwise it won't work. Right. Alright, so now here, geographic area, I'm gonna stick to America. Heck yeah. Wait, no, US, never mind, just that wrong. And for my time zone, I'm gonna choose Central. And then after this, there's one more prompt left, I think. No, wait, two more, which are keyboard related. And then after that, you can just go ahead and let it sit there for a while it finishes the installation. Alright, so here, just keep pressing enter until the more option changes. Then you can type in whichever keyboard layout you'll be using. I think mine is 31 for American. Yeah, there is English US. So now here, country of origin for the keyboard, I'm gonna choose 31st. And then here is gonna like subdivide it into which one specifically. I'm just gonna choose the first option, one, and that's it for now. It usually takes like 10 to 15 minutes again. You can just leave it there. It'll finish the installation automatically after this. Alright, so now that it's done, we're gonna need to provide a password. I'm just gonna put 12345. You can put anything for the password. I'm just gonna do that for the purpose of this tutorial. Alright, so done. And here, I'm gonna leave it the default option. And there you have it. Now you got a fully functional Linux distribution on your phone, or Chromebook for that matter. But now let's say you want to run your desktop environment or any GUI apps. That's where VNC comes in handy. So before we can continue, you're gonna have to type in Vnc Server -start and hit enter, and just leave the default option. And that's weird, it didn't ask me to choose a password for it. So the default password is root. Keep note of that. Now open Vnc Viewer, hit the plus sign and type in localhost /1, and for the name you can choose anything you want. I'm just gonna type in Ubuntu for this one. Create. Now just click connect and type in the password. It said it was root, so I'm gonna type in root. Click remember password and hit continue. So that's not the password. That's weird. So just try in the password from earlier, 245, and there we go. So wait, let me zoom out. There you go. So that's the Linux distribution. You see everything works fine. Look, I'm gonna try to update. Yeah, there you go. It's just like Anyway, so that's how you get a fully functional Linux distro on your Android device. So thank you guys for watching. Remember, if you like this video, you know what to do. If you didn't like this video, then just leave a like on the dislike comment I'll leave down below. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.